example number 11. Find the area of trapezium. Example number 11. Find area of trapezium in which AB parallel to DC, AB is 77, DC is 25, CD is 60 and DA is 26. भाई આના પહેલા भी मैं एक बार सम કર્યો પણ मैं રોંગ કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન લીધું એટલે મને એમાં મિસ્ટેક મળતી નથી એટલે હું ફરીથી કરું છું બરાબર ઇટ્સ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ જો AB parallel AB is greater so AB नीचे આવે AB parallel to CD AB parallel to DC AB is 77 is given DC is 25 CD is 60 and DA is 26 right હવે मैं આ સમ પહેલા કરાયો એમાં અહીંયા મેં કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન કર્યું હતું એટલે આવ્યું નહીં તો ફરીથી કરીએ કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન એઝ પર गिवन इन द बुक અહીંયા કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરીએ the construct DM parallel to BC BC ને parallel એક લાઈન ડ્રો કરીએ so CD parallel to AB so આ भी parallel થઈ ગયું આ भी parallel થઈ ગયું so DMBC so DMBC is parallelogram opposite sides are parallel so opposite sides are parallel hence opposite sides are also equal in a parallelogram तो आ 60 થઈ જાય અને આ 25 થાય ઓકે 26 25 આ 60 છે તો એમાંથી આ 17 માઈનસ કરો તો આ કેટલા વધે 17 સેન્ટીમીટર આ 77 છે AB equal to 77 26 25 and 17 side right તો સેમ ટુ થયું હવે આપણે આ શું કરીશું આપણે આ ટ્રાયેંગલનો એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરીશું વિથ હેરોન્સ ફોર્મ્યુલા એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરીને પછી એરિયા ફરીથી બીજો ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરીશું એરિયા ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 1/2 ઓફ બેઝ એન્ડ હાઇટ એન્ડ વી કેન ફાઇન્ડ હાઇટ તો આ એક્ચ્યુઅલી આ સમમાં તમને હાઇટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે રાઈટ સો area of triangle ADM find કરવા માટે પહેલા S find કરીશું S is equal to 26 plus 17 આનો S find કરીએ means semi parameter all the three side divided by 2 26 plus 25 plus 17 26 plus 25 plus 17 by 2 is 68 is S is 68 by 2 68 by 2 that is 34 so area equal to under root S minus A S minus B and S minus C so under root of 34 minus 26 minus 25 minus 17 34 minus 26 34 because S is 34 centimeter S is 34 minus 26 A मतलब खबर पड़े छे S means semi perimeter A plus B plus C by 2 what is small a small b small c are the sides of the triangle okay तो 36 माथी एक साइड माइनस 34 माथी एक साइड माइनस करो 34 माथी 25 माइनस करो 34 माथी 17 माइनस करो so under root of 34 minus 26 is 8 34 minus 25 is 9 and 34 minus 17 is 17. So on a split करिए 17 2s are 34. Now splitting 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. That is the splitting of 8 and 9 into 17. So area will be that is the area of this triangle. 2 times 17, 2 times 2, 2 times 2 and 9 to root 3. So area equal to 17 into 4 into 3 is 204. T is 204 centimeter square. 17 into 4 into 3 is 204 centimeter square. Now again use the formula, area no formula law. Area with the Heron's formula. But now area with the 1/2 of base into height. So I can find the height, any distance between two parallel lines. So area equal to 1/2 of base into height. 204 equal to 1/2 of base is 17 into height. So 204 into 2 by 17 equal to height. 2 पर 17 नीचे. 204 into 2 by 17 equal to 24. So height equal to 24 centimeter. Now what about the area of હવે આ બધું ભૂલી જાઓ. I have height. Height is 24. Now area of trapezium equal to 1/2 of sum of parallel sides. मतलब CD plus AB. CD plus AB sum of parallel side into distance between them मतलब height એ બંને વચ્ચેનું distance, that is the height. તો આટલી બધી મહેનત આપણે height find કરવા માટે કરી, right? So 1/2 of 60 and 77. 60 plus 77 into distance between them is 24. So 160. 60 plus 77. 137. 137 into 24. 137 into 24 divided by 2 is 137 into 24 divided by 2 is 1644. 1644 centimeter square is the area of trapezium. Is the area of trapezium. Now example number 12. Example number 12. A length and breadth of a rectangular grassy plot. Length is to breadth of grassy plot is 7:4. A path 4 meter wide running all around outside has an area 416 meter square. Find the dimensions of, find the length and breadth of grassy plot. Okay. चलो लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ ग्रासी प्लॉट इज 7:4. चलो ABCD is a grassy plot. Let ABCD be grassy plot. Its length is 7x and breadth is 4x because the length and breadth are in the ratio 7:4. So that 7x ABCD is grassy plot, 7x and 4x. A path 4 meter wide running all around outside. Four meter. Let it be PQRS is another triangle. So its capital length of the PQRS are 4 meter. The breadth is 4 meter. Okay. So QR will be 7x plus 4 plus 4. 7x plus 4 and plus 4 is the whole length. समझ में आवे छे? तो 7x plus 8 and this is 4x. आटलू 4x छे. So SR will be the 4x. This 4 and 4. So 4x, 4 and 4 is 8. 4x plus 8 is SR. Got it? तो આપણે બે પાર્ટ કરી દઈએ. ABCD for quadrilaterals rectangle ABCD and for PQRS. Just small length, small breadth, capital length, capital breadth. For ABCD internal rectangle, length is 7x, breadth is 4x. 7x and 4x. Now for the PQRS, length is 7x plus 8 and breadth is 4x plus 8. And you can see that આખા rectangle માંથી અંદરનો rectangle કાઢી નાખો, you can get the path area. Bigger rectangle minus smaller rectangle. So area of path is given 416. So area of path equal to area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. Right? So path area, path 4 meter wide running all around outside has an area. Path area is 416. Area of PQRS is its length into breadth. Length into breadth minus length into breadth because ABCD small length and small breadth. So 416 equal to 7x plus 8, 4x plus 8 minus length into breadth 7x into 4x. So 416 equal to 28x square 56x 32x plus 64 minus 28x square. Got it? 28x square, 28x square cancel. So 416 equal to 88x plus 64. So 416 minus 64 equal to 88x. 352 is equal to 88x. So 352 divided by 88 equal to x. Is 4. Is 4. So x equal to 4. Now you have to find the dimensions of the grassy plot. Grassy plot, the ABCD was the grassy plot. So the dimension is 7x and 4x. So 7x is 4, yani 28 meter, and 4 into 4, yani 16 meter. That are the dimensions of grassy plot. Okay, चलो આપણે અહીંયા રાખીએ.